how a general physician can help a patient with anxiety and anxiety disorder. There are several studies have noted prevalence of stress in primary care and physicians clinic as being high. As much as 60 to 80% of all consultations might be stress related, which presents as physical or bodily symptoms or psychological symptoms such as anxiety and insomnia. General physicians and doctors are already trained to offer a helpful ear, listen and counsel patients with a variety of problems, offer structured advice and support through their health episodes. But when the patient is anxious, they might present irritable, difficult and demanding, and come to the clinic repeatedly expressing dissatisfaction with treatment and care. In such situations, the physician should spend extra time in evaluating their problems and also an underlying emotional reaction and feelings. In doing so, patients are more likely to open up, provide you with necessary information that is critical for correct diagnosis and engagement with treatment plan. More importantly, by giving them extra time, you're more likely to unburden their problems. And when patients feel being heard, the compliance improves. Compliance with practical tips that you may provide, for example, relaxation techniques, meditation, exercise, etc. The compliance with short courses of calming medication and antidepressant therapy also improves. It is ideal if a general physician at the beginning of anxiety treatment can offer treatment options which includes referral to a psychiatrist or psychologist for a deeper evaluation of anxiety problems and educate them on benefits of supportive counseling or talking therapy. In doing so, professional establishes a trust which again has positive impact on communication and engagement.